Hello everyone, I cleared NET JRF exam only in the preparation of 21 days. Yes, you heard right. सिर्फ 21 दिन के प्रिपरेशन से मैंने क्लियर किया है. My subject was law and I started preparing on 6th of January 2025 and my exam was on 27th of January 2025 and I cleared that, and currently I am pursuing PhD from the South Asian University, New Delhi. Here I am gonna talk about how to prepare it smartly. First thing is how much time is required for the preparation. So I think 3 to 6 months is more than enough, and if you are preparing with focus and smart study, 90 days is enough. I am making this video with the aim that it is the best time to start for the June attempt. For the do's, you should first analyze the PYQ. First thing first, you should analyze the PYQ completely for the paper 1 as well and for the paper 2 as well. Second, dedicated study of 5 to 6 hours per day, and in that you have to prepare for both the paper. You should not leave one paper completely and prepare for one paper only for any single day. You should go simultaneously with both the paper. For the paper 1 there are 10 subjects and each subject has assigned some marks. So you should not leave any single topic. Mine paper was law. In the law also there are 10 paper, and for that also you should not leave any single topic or any single subject. Third thing is you should give at least one mock in a week and analyze that mock also. Fourth, I want to say about law or comparatively that subject which has chronology. You should try to remember the chronology as well of any subject, which come first and which come later. Most important thing, you should have a strong willpower and determination to clear the exam. Like many people say that in these few hours you can't complete it, you should give for next attempt. You should not. You should listen to you. If you are capable enough to clear it in this attempt, you can do so. I have cleared only in 21 days. You can also do so. One more thing is use material wisely. Like you should not compile the material and not study. Rather, you should have less material and you study more. And revise well. You should plan your study in the way that at the end you should have at least 1 week for the revision only. And now I come to the don't, which is must required thing in the preparation. You should know what are the don'ts. The first thing is you should not prepare in EMI. किस्तों में कभी तैयारी नहीं की जाती. Like आपने 2 दिन पढ़ लिया और 2 दिन नहीं पढ़ा, ऐसा नहीं करना है. Don't leave any topic or any subject completely, because if you have bad luck then that subject can fetch more marks. डोंट लूज योर फोकस जस्ट बिफोर द एग्ज़ाम, क्योंकि मैंने देखा है कुछ लोग बहुत दिनों से तैयारी कर रहे होते हैं और एग्ज़ाम से जस्ट पहले किसी भी वजह से दे लॉस देयर फोकस एंड हैव नॉट क्लियर द एग्ज़ाम. सो डोंट लूज योर फोकस. In the exam also you should be calm and composed and should try to manage your time well. I would like to give you one pro tip, which is you all know that NET exam has no negative marking. Everyone marks each question. So for if you are marking any question which you don't know what the answer is, you should mark every question the same option, because then the probability of your answer getting right is 25%, which is more than if you are marking any random answer. And at the end I want to give you some suggestion जो है, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपसे क्लियर हो जाएगा तो हो जाएगा, और अगर कोई भी इंसान आपको ये कहता है कि इतने दिन में नहीं हो सकता है तो सबसे पहले आप उनसे कट ऑफ कीजिए और फिर प्रिपेयर कीजिए, बिकॉज निगेटिविटी रियली हैम्पर्स योर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. सो द समरी इज कि आपको फर्स्ट सारे सब्जेक्ट को प्रिपेयर करने हैं. कोई भी सब्जेक्ट या कोई टॉपिक छोड़ना नहीं है. आपको डेडिकेटेड रोज 5 to 6 आवर प्रिपेयर करने हैं फॉर द जून एग्जाम. एंड आफ्टर दैट आपको किसी और की बातें नहीं सुनना. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि आपसे हो जाएगा तो हो जाएगा. आपको मॉक देना है और आपको दोनों सब्जेक्ट का प्रिपरेशन साथ में करना है. इसका रीज़न ये है कि अगर आप एक सब्जेक्ट प्रिपेयर करते पेपर 1 और पेपर 2 कम्प्लीटली छोड़ देते हैं तो होगा ये कि आप जब पेपर 2 फिर पढ़ने जाएंगे तो आप पेपर 1 भूल जाएंगे, और फिर जब रिवीजन करने जाएंगे तो आपको फिर से पूरा पढ़ना पड़ेगा और उसमें आपको ब्रश अप करना पड़ेगा. सो वो टाइम लेगा. इसके लिए आपको दोनों साथ में करना है. दोनों का रिदम बना रहेगा और आपको दोनों याद रहेगा. And the most important is D-Day, and on that day you should be calm, composed and perform well. That's it. You can clear.